Can you tell me what is the most sought after beauty trend to this day? Yes, it's the glass skin beauty trend originated from Korea. That flawless, dewy, radiant complexion that looks almost unreal. But what exactly is glass skin? How can you achieve it? Today I'll take you through a step-by-step routine, share product recommendations, and give you some skincare tips to achieve this coveted look. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds if you stay consistent. First of all, what does this glass skin even mean? The term glass skin describes skin that's exceptionally clear, smooth, and luminous, almost like a piece of glass. It's not about covering up with makeup, but achieving a truly healthy complexion that shines from within. Now, the trendy definition of glass skin might sound unachievable in real life, but it's very much possible because it's actually all about creating a healthy base through deep hydration, gentle care, and consistent nourishment. Glass skin does not mean poreless, textureless, or flawless skin. It simply means hydrated, glowy, and healthy looking skin. Achieving glass skin requires a combination of proper skincare steps, the right products, and a little patience. A little. Step 1. Cleansing, the foundation of glass skin. To achieve glass skin, you must start with a clean base. Cleansing is crucial because dirt, oil, and makeup can clog pores and prevent other products from working effectively. Double cleansing method. The oil cleansing routine ensures that your skin is cleared of any makeup or water-resistant products. Use an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Then emulsify with little water and massage gently. Finally, wash off with a water-based cleanser. Step 2. Exfoliation. Reveal brighter skin. Exfoliation is key to achieving smooth, radiant skin. It removes dead skin cells that dull your skin complexion and allow your other product to penetrate more effectively. Chemical exfoliants versus physical scrubs. Chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHAs dissolve dead skin cells without causing damage. Physical scrubs can be too abrasive, cause irritation and damage to your skin barrier. How often to exfoliate? Limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week to avoid overexfoliation. Overexfoliation can harm your skin barrier and cause irritation. My top picks are Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner, Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid, by Strength Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water, Anua BHA 2% Gentle Exfoliating Toner. Step 3. Hydration, the heart of glass skin. Hydration is non-negotiable when it comes to glass skin. This is where toners, essence, and serums play a huge role. A well-formulated hydrating toner, essence, or serum can provide a hydration to your skin. If you have oily skin, then a toner or essence may be more suitable for your skin type. If you have dry skin, then a hydrating serum might be more beneficial for you. My favorites: Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, Cosrx 96 Nail Mucin Essence, I'm From Rice Toner, Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule, Torrident Dive-In Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Numbergene No. 5 Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. All of these products help repair your skin barrier, boost hydration, and adds that bouncy plump effect. Additional hydration tip. Koreans also love sheet masks for extra hydration. I personally avoid them because of their environmental impacts, and the serums, the hydrating serums and toners are enough for this purpose in my opinion. Step 4. Moisturizing. Lock in hydration. Moisturizing is crucial for maintaining that glass skin glow. It seals in all the hydration from the previous steps and keeps your skin looking plump and smooth. My favorites: Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream, luxuriously creamy with a silky finish. Skin 1004 Centella Soothing Cream, ideal for sensitive or irritated skin. Cosrx Nail 92 Cream, Astura Artoberia 365 Cream. Step 5. Sunscreen, your skin's best friend. No matter how amazing your skincare routine is, it won't work without proper sun protection. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause dark spots, premature aging, and dullness. Tips for sunscreen: use a lightweight sunscreen for a natural finish. Apply as the last step in your morning routine. Top picks: Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Sunscreen, Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Sunscreen, Anu Heart Leaf Silky Moisture Sun Cream. Important tips for glass skin: be consistent because skincare is a journey, not a quick fix. Wear sunscreen daily. Even the best products won't work without sun protection. Avoid overloading your routine. Introduce active products slowly. one at a time. Stay hydrated and healthy, drink water, eat well, and get enough sleep to glow from within. Bonus, makeup tips for glass skin. If you want to enhance your glow further, makeup can help. Use a hydrating foundation or tinted moisturizer and add a touch of liquid highlighter to your cheekbones for that luminous finish. Because remember, no skin is perfect skin. No matter how flawless or luminous skin might look on social media, they're generally supplemented with good lighting and great editing. So be confident in yourself and love the skin you're in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you want more skincare tips. And it will help my channel to grow as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is our Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.